The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Senegal. She got fit but she wanna get thin again, drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skin cause she wanna be killing them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. I went to the bin in the Tokyo gift card, but I'm serious. I went from the Toyota Yaris to Eurus, they had their chance. Now this girl want me and her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, long as the life is swimming, can't you step? We're big, we're thick and thin, she already fixed on halfway there. Could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, they won't fit in one SUV. No, SOS.
Check my heart rate. 160. My heart rate is 160. Oh my god.